Now at 5, a Center Point couple is grateful after fighting to save what they could from rising floodwaters. Mary and Wilbur Vance nearly lost everything. But with help from local firefighters, they saved their beloved pets. KENS 5's Earl Stoudemire shares their story of survival and the community rallying behind them.
This is out Joe's back door.
This is what Mary and Wilbur Vance woke up to on the 4th of July.
This is his truck.
With no time to even think about an escape plan, fast-moving water from the Guadalupe River rushing into their home.
Grabbed my hat, threw on some clothes, and I was like, it was so fast.
When the first tide comes in at 8 foot down at the garage, you just gotta move and get out.
Mary and Wilbur scrambled to grab everything they could before they were caught in the flood, but they had to rescue their animals. Right where I'm standing, Wilbur saw his truck float away, but he still came in waist-deep water to save his animals.
It was basically a tsunami. This is the fourth one, 32, 78, 87, and 2025. And each time, the cost of life is higher.
That's the fire station.
Living across the street from the Center Point Fire Department, one firefighter was able to help the Vances load everything they could in Mary's car to drive off.
Throwing stuff in the car, the rabbit, the cats, chickens outside. We jumped in. By 8 o'clock, the water all the way to the front, which is a higher, was up to the bottom of my door. We were like almost crying, leaving, because we're like, what if we just thought they were going to drown?
Mary says they had 10 rabbits, 3 chickens, a cat, a dog, and a guinea pig. Only one rabbit and the guinea pig died in the flood. While the animals are okay, the Vance house is another problem.
He got to about 3 feet in the house, and everything's gone, and all the drywall's gone. It's down to the studs.
The community has provided temporary housing for the Vances to stay in. Volunteers also grabbing equipment to rebuild their home free of charge.
That house was cleared out in a week or so. The volunteers are just awesome.
Mary says it's going to take at least 6 months for volunteers to fix their home and says she's thankful for community support, volunteers getting candy, and the animals still with them. In Center Point, Earl Stoudemire, KENS 5.